Hello class, welcome to week 6. We're working on chapter 10. We're getting into some really advanced object-oriented concepts. I wanted to show you some changes to REVEL first of all. I know my interface here looks a little different than yours, but I wanted to tell you how I'm setting things up from now on. All of our REVEL content will be optional. So far, you guys have done a great job on the REVEL content, and I have not had any luck getting it loaded to Blackboard. I will be continuing to work on that. But in order to minimize frustration and make sure we get the best use out of the REVEL product, I'll be changing the way the assignments are set up. First of all, this week, October 4th, will be your due date for all of the Chapter 10, what I would call textbook content. So no graded activities, just all of the material in the textbook with all the examples and step-by-step code executions that are available to you. So use this material and watch the videos that are available in REVEL. The rest of the Chapter 10 content has been assigned a due date of December 30th. After our semester is over. So if you want to do some practicing on some of the case studies, again, I've done the case study course class in a video I'll be telling you about in a second. Any of the exercise sets or any of the programming exercises in the book, just move to this December 30th assignment and you can work on those activities at your own pace whenever you would like to practice your Java coding skills. So we've changed the way things are going to work in REVEL a little bit. Your textbook content is the assigned material. All of the exercises and projects are optional material for you to complete. Let's take a look at our weekly assignment in Blackboard. This is, again, Lesson 6, our Object-Oriented Programming 2. And this week you're going to have your Proctored quiz. As you know, that's required of all online students at OTC to verify your identity. You can refer to the proctoring link here in Blackboard to get information about how to set up your exam. You can do that in other locations. You can come to OTC to take your exam. Either way, please make sure and get that taken care of. I've given you an extended time frame for the Chapter 10 quiz, and you'll have until October 11th to get that done. Please don't put it off until the last minute, however, because your group project is also due on that date, and it's going to be a busy day, so we don't want to put too much all on that date. So you'll have a couple of weeks to get that taken care of. If you look at the lesson material for this unit, you'll see 3 instructor videos. Please take a look at those along with your REVEL videos. I've created an extension to the Loan Class video explaining how to use the debugger when you're working with Eclipse so that you can solve problems. And then another video that extends the BMI class video and shows you how to use the debugger in NetBeans. And then the Chapter 10 activity course class, we've done some coding and testing on that. So those are available on the instructor videos link in the lesson material. Of course, you can also find the chapter PowerPoint and other information there on that lesson link. You have a link to REVEL, of course, and your exercise that's due for the week. You'll be creating a class named My Integer. You have a discussion board post that will be due about creating a career portfolio. And you have the Chapter 10 quiz. Because the Chapter 10 quiz is your proctored event, I've also created a Chapter 10 practice quiz for you. You may take the practice quiz as many times as you like before you attend your proctored event quiz. I know the proctored event can be a little nerve-wracking, so I wanted you to have an opportunity to practice on that quiz first. You'll only be able to take it one time at the proctored event. So please let me know if you're having any questions, problems, anything that I can help you with. I'll try to be here and answer your emails as quickly as I can. I think you guys are all doing great, and I appreciate your really hard work. Thank you, and have a great